Many people still wonder if using a microwave is bad for their health. Some say it removes all the good nutrients in food. Others believe it gives off harmful radiation. But the truth is, microwave cooking is safe if you use it the right way. Scientists have tested it for years, and it doesn't cause cancer or damage your body. It simply uses energy to heat the water inside your food. That's how your food gets hot so fast. Microwaves use a type of energy called non-ionizing radiation. This kind of energy does not stay in your food. It only helps heat it. It doesn't change the food structure or make it dangerous to eat. It just moves water molecules around to create heat. It's like shaking a bottle of water until it warms up. In fact, using a microwave can help keep more nutrients in your food, especially vegetables. When you boil vegetables in water, many of the good vitamins leak into the water and get thrown away. But when you cook them in the microwave, those nutrients stay in the food because you don't need a lot of water. But it's not just the microwave you need to think about. The containers you use also matter. If you heat food in plastic that isn't safe for the microwave, it can melt or release harmful chemicals into your meal. That's why it's always better to use glass, ceramic, or plastic bowls that are clearly marked microwave safe. Now that you know microwave cooking is safe, the next question is, which type should you buy? There are two common types of microwaves, solo and convection. A solo microwave is the basic type. It's good for simple things like heating food, warming milk, cooking noodles, or defrosting frozen items. It's cheap, easy to use, and great for people who live alone, students, or small families. A good example of a solo microwave is the Samsung 23L Solo Microwave. It works well for heating and defrosting. Another one is the Panasonic NN SM25JBFDG. It's small, strong, and doesn't cost much. These microwaves are great if you just want something quick and simple. But if you want to do more than just reheat food, a convection microwave is better for you. It works like a small oven. It has a fan and extra heat that lets you bake cakes, roast meat, grill sandwiches, or even make cookies. A convection microwave is great for people who love cooking and want one machine that can do many things. Good examples of convection microwaves include the IFB30L convection microwave. It's very popular for baking and grilling. Another good one is the LG28L convection microwave. It's big enough for family meals and works fast. These microwaves cost more, but they also give you more cooking options. Convection microwaves are usually more expensive than solo microwaves. Solo models cost around $50 to $100, while convection models can cost $150 or more. But if you use your microwave every day and want to try different recipes, a convection microwave is worth it. You save time and you don't need to use your big oven for everything. If your daily cooking is mostly about warming leftovers, making tea, or heating up frozen food, a solo microwave is all you need. But if you want to cook meals like roasted chicken, baked potatoes, or grilled vegetables, then you should choose a convection microwave. It gives better results and lets you try more recipes at home. Some convection microwaves also come with auto-cook menus. This means you just press one button, and it sets the right time and temperature for the food. You can make pizza, cake, popcorn, and more without guessing how long to cook. It's great for beginners or anyone who wants fast results with less thinking. To make it simple, microwave cooking is not bad for your health. It can help keep food healthy and save you time in the kitchen. Just use the right containers and don't overcook your meals. If you want something basic, choose a solo microwave. If you want more options and better cooking, get a convection microwave. So yes, Microwave cooking is healthy, and the type of microwave you choose depends on what kind of food you like to make. Pick the one that fits your home and cooking style, and you'll enjoy easy and tasty meals every day.